Okay, hey teammate, friends, hey fam, Angel checking in with a real brief message on how to use your mini jet for your rainbow, the new system, which is SRX. This is the 2021 model. So for this, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to take the hose off by pressing this down. It comes off, okay? And once again, it's going to be empty. This is for the mini, they call it the mini jet, we call it the mini shampooer. You're going to have to take the attachment tool holder off, and what you're going to have to do is firmly pull one side and then the other. It's on there real tight. It's designed so it doesn't fall off. So you almost got to put it on the ground and kind of lift one side and then the other. I already kind of did it. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. So it comes right off. That's the tool holder. All right, and then this one is called the mini jet. All right, accessory, and this is for upholstery cleaning, couches. You could use it for spot cleaning, and you could also use it for your vehicles. All right, so put this on this side here, and I'll show you how to use it. Okay, so the reason you have to take the tool holder off is because this has its own hose. Once again, lay it and push it forward. So what do? You lay it on here. I'll show you. Okay, and then you push it forward. Okay, this has the bottle connection. You're going to once again fill it almost to the top, and use the Aquamix solution for this, for the upholsteries or for the carpet spot cleaning or for your vehicles. All right, and then what you do, give it a little tap in, okay? And this has its own 10-foot hose right here. All right, this has its own 10-foot hose. This is where you press the button and it sprays out the water. This right here is the little head, okay? This snaps on here like this, and it's ready to go. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. So this is the 10-foot hose. Turn the machine on. It sprays out the soap here. Spray as much as you need. Then you take your finger off of it. Scrub, scrub, scrub. You can scrub it with the machine off, or you can scrub it with the machine on. A lot of times, if it's an evident stain, what I'll do is I'll turn the machine off, scrub it, because I have real firm brushes, and then I turn the machine on and you actually see all the stains getting pulled up. All right, so that's the mini jet. With all wet applications, run the machine afterwards to suck up any excess water that's inside the unit. Okay, when you're done using it, okay, what you do is you pull, make sure you wiggle it off because it has an O-ring on there, so it's on there firmly. And what you could do is you could disconnect it here, and with the machine on, suck up any excess water that's inside here. That's pretty much it. It comes with a small bottle of the shampoo solution. It's called the Aquamix solution. If you need any, reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to send it out. So there it is. It has the instruction manuals right inside for the mini jet. Any questions, reach out. All right, that's how you use your mini jet. Remember, the water reservoir is going to be empty because the dirty water you're sucking up, it's going into the machine. So there you have it. That's how you use your mini jet. Thanks for your time.